This is workshop number 2, video number 3, and we are going to be talking about the 6 steps to creating an effective action plan. You've probably done action plans in some form or another in every job that you've ever done. You may not think of them as action plans, you may not have formally written them down, but every time you've encountered a problem, you've gone through the thought process of what you need to fix, how you're going to fix it, when you're going to get it done by, and the steps that you need to take. And then you've taken those steps. It may not have been as formal as the training that we went through, or it may have been even more formal. For me, what I want you to take from this is not that you have to write it on that Excel spreadsheet, not that you need to put it into some kind of action planning software. All of those are great if that's what you want to do, but I want you to think of the 6 steps that allow you to create an effective action plan. The first one is the what, the second one is the when. How are you going to do it is step number 3, and then you prioritize the steps that you want to take in number 3. That becomes step number 4. Step number 5 is identifying obstacles, and step number 6 is scheduling when you are going to take the action that you've prioritized in number 4. And for most action plans, you know what you want to do, when you want to get it done, and you know how you're going to get it done. And a lot of the time you prioritize the steps that you're going to take. But most action plans miss the obstacles. And whenever you identify obstacles to anything in your life, it doesn't have to be work related. When you identify the obstacles and you figure out how you're going to overcome those obstacles, that's when you create a strategy for success, because all that you're doing in an action plan is overcoming obstacles and deciding how you're going to get to your goal. And then obviously after the first workshop, scheduling those action steps is vital, and not just the action steps, the follow-up. You have to follow up, you have to schedule things, because otherwise they're just not going to happen, because you know how crazy your day gets. Unless you've got the action steps scheduled on your calendar, on your mind flush, wherever you like to schedule things, and you've made time to follow up, it's going to be very difficult for it to happen. So that is your 6 steps of action planning: what, when, how, prioritizing the hows, identifying obstacles, and then scheduling the action that you're going to take.